So when I run that, just that code, it's giving me back a data frame, but it's only giving me the data for 1982. So if I put that in there, it's going to draw a line for the year 1982. So let's just plot that on, and you can see, hey, 1982 was pretty dry at the end of the year. Well, my daily flows are well down below the average. In fact, they're some of the driest recorded. And if we look the next year, 1983, which really started off very dry, same thing. Okay, 1983, the autumn of 1983 was extremely dry in this area, for most of Victoria, actually. So you can see that you're well below the average, and this is on a log scale. You can imagine, you could plot the 20th percentile, the 5, the 2, the 1, and we are way down here.